You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. Welcome back to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe. If you have been here before and haven't subscribed, subscribe! On today's video, we are going to be taking out the stock suspension, the springs and struts. Actually, in the back, we're just doing springs. The front, we're taking out the springs and struts, and we're putting in Tein lowering springs. The Tein lowering springs came out of the old Crest 350Z. So, what you will be seeing is me swapping all of the suspension and mixing them all around into a big old batch of suspension-y goodness. That's what's gonna happen very soon. So next thing you will see is some time-lapse action, starting with the front right suspension. Sexy and I know it. That's my jam, son. All right. As you can see from the previous views, I finished the front. Pulled the stock springs out. Can't really see, it's too dark in there, but it's tight anyway. And there's the stock springs right there. One of them, the other one's buried a little bit. You could almost see it, but. And I can go home and do some other shit. Got other shit to do. You think this is all I got going in my life? You think this is it? That's all I do. Don't eat. Don't go to the bathroom. Don't poop. I don't poop. You know? I'm a robot. Car. Car. Alright. And guess what? Guess what, my little friendly fellas and ladies? Guess what's going on here? Guess what? You might have guessed it. I don't know. But she's raining again. Kinda hard. Look at that nastiness. It's a nasty girl out here. Mother Nature's pissed. She pissed. Somebody broke her heart and she's crying me a river. Crying me a river. Alright, next we are going to do, not tonight, I'm done tonight, as we already established. We established that. Agreed? Agreed? Likes up for agreed. Thumbs up, I mean. Thumbs up for agreed. Thumbs down for F you, Ryan. F you. So, next up is, we already got I cleaned up the stock springers. The stock springers are clean. Got them all clean and degreased. Ready to roll. Ready to roll. Let's go. Yeah. That's next.
And a little update on the bumper situation. I guess this is after the back springs. We're gonna get back into this little. Move my hand right there. We're gonna get back into her. So I talked to them. My main issue is, I just saw the pictures. It needs to be trimmed out more. I know this is dark. I know you can't see too well, but I don't care about that. I don't care what you think about me. Hey, yeah. So it has to be trimmed out more down towards this corner and more of an angle for the light to fit in. And I was worried if I trim too much that avoid the warranty. There is a warranty on it. 30-day money back. It's guaranteed to fit. It's vicrez guaranteed to fit. You can look at their website. It's on the website. On their website. And you can see it says OEM fitment guaranteed to fit. 30-day money back. So I want to make sure it fits within 30 days. I'm hoping. So I just want to make sure if I did trim and cut out. They say they trim before they ship it out because I guess they put extra filler in the mold, whatever the hell I don't know. I'm not a body kit manufacturer. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. So they said that if I trim it and then I end up, trimming too much or, it kind of fails on me, that they'll still honor the warranty. So I just want to make sure of that before I did get into that. So I was kind of dragging my feet a little bit with other. That's why I got into the springs. A little filling action. So I still haven't tried the front. Still got to work on the side skirts, obviously, but I got a little covered up here because that blankie. My little blankie. Mama, can I have my blankie? Binky. That was in the way. I was tripping, getting dirty. You can see a little dirt action there. So I didn't try to fit that up yet. I'll be after. I want to do the rear bumper first since I already got started with that. So, all right.
What do you hear? What do you say? Yeah.
Rear suspension time. Take out stock springs. Put in Tein springs. Coming right now. World record. The quickest jackass in the East to change out springs on a 350Z. I'll show you really quick what we got here. That took about 15-20 minutes. I ain't timed it, but it went pretty quick. Which sometimes you run into some problems. You run into problems like me. I'm a problem. I'm a problem with lighting too, as you can see. Problem right here. This is a problem. Alright, so I got these guys in here and I left the wheels off, as you probably already noticed. If you didn't notice, get some goddamn glasses. Get some glasses, four-eyed coke bottle mother. Left the wheels off because next thing as I'm fitting up, it's gonna be another episode, but fitting up the body kit. You can see I already started a little bit. I hopefully got things straightened out with them. I know I talked about it a little bit before, but let me zoom out a little bit, a little closer. So I already started a little bit. Sorry if the lighting sucks. I'm going in and out of sunlight here. Like a vampire, half a vampire. Who needs a half a vampire? Got a half a vampire here, half a vampire. Alright, so yeah, so that's the next thing. That's why I left the wheels off. As you can see, the vicrez Nismo bumper sitting on the ground, half blanket. It's half cold, half in, half out, a half and half. It's like when you get hot at night, you're trying to sleep and you stick that one leg out. You know what I'm talking about. You get that one leg out. That one leg AC, baby. So I'm going to take these wheels off too, because I'm going to need to fiddle with some up and in there. Up and in. Up and in. Or is it up and in? Yeah, I did it wrong. Up and in. Alright, so that's going to be the next thing, but it's going to be another episode, so that's the end of this guy here. I get a little wobble action. Wobble, 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 wobble. Too bad for copyright, so I throw that stupid ass song in here. If you like that song, I'm very sorry. From the heart, I apologize. If that's your favorite song, I do apologize. But if you hate that song, I don't hate it. I just... It is what it is. It's just one of those... It's like Who Let the Dogs Out. It's like, come on. You know, come on. Alright, so that's the end of this guy. Next thing... Oh, I gotta organize a little bit in here. A little messy. A little mess action. You gotta get your nuts in. What do you know about them nuts? Them salty nuts. On a hot summer day, you gotta get you some salty nuts on some hot summer days. Alright, yeah, kind of messy. I'm organized. I got a bunch of fasteners, bolts, nuts. More nuts. Got some lock nuts in here. You gotta get your lock nuts. You gotta lock your nuts down. Alright, so, yeah, I'm gonna do a little organizing. You don't need to see that nonsense, because I said so. That's why. Because I said so. And what I say goes. I'm like your mean parent or mean teacher in school that just doesn't give a shit about you. Doesn't give a flying what you gotta say. That's this guy right here. Alright, drive fast, take chances.